Hi guys, welcome to Cook with Lavanya. Adding to my favorite dishes, this is also one among them and I totally love it. It's the chicken ghee roast. I pair this dish with almost everything. If nothing, I just eat it like that. That is how much I adore this dish. So the ingredients that go into making chicken ghee roast are half kg chicken which I've marinated. Marinate the chicken with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of curds, some lemon juice, and some turmeric. Marinate for at least an hour. 1.5 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 5 Kashmiri red chilies, 5 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 20 to 30 curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 small tamarind ball, just about this much, some chopped coriander, salt, and 4 tablespoons of ghee. As the name already mentions, it's chicken ghee roast, so almost all the ingredients that go into making this are roasted. So we dry roast these ingredients and then add it to the chicken. Once your pan is hot, first I will add in the cumin seeds or jeera and the peppercorns. With that, I will also add the coriander seeds. Let it roast. Once you start getting the aromas from it, we will add in the other ingredients. So I'm starting to get the aromas. At this point of time, I will add in the red chilies. If you do not want too much spicy, just cut down on the chilies and the peppers. You'll be fine. Roast these on either low or medium flame because you don't want your ingredients to be burnt at all. Add in your fenugreek seeds. If you don't get this, it is okay, but if you find it just enhances the taste. It has a beautiful flavor. Now add in your garlic and your tamarind. You will know when it is roasted because it turns light brown color and it starts giving so much aroma. This is going to be my masala. Just let this cool for a few minutes and then we will blend it. It's cool now, so I'm just going to add everything into my grinder. Add some water. So now we have everything ready. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of ghee. Nice amount of ghee. Be generous with the ghee, guys. So once you add your ghee, remember the red chili powder that you have taken. Just add this to the hot oil. It gives a nice color. And immediately put in your chicken. Don't let the red chili powder burn, so you need to add in the chicken quick. I'm going to cover this and cook for 2 minutes on high flame and then we will add in our masalas. So it's about 2 minutes. Now to this, let's add the masala paste. Add in some salt, about 1 teaspoon because I have added salt in the marination. Cover this and cook for about 20 minutes on medium flame. Trying to reveal this. You see the oil separating, it means that it is cooked. This dish is usually semi-gravyish. It's not a curry, nor it's completely dry. So you can pair this with some rice or chapati, or you can just eat it like that. So what I do now is I'm going to add in the curry leaf. We will add in the curry leaf at the end. And also the coriander, and just for some extra taste I'm going to add in another spoon or 2 of ghee and put the flame on high and roast it on high flame for about 2 minutes. Look how beautiful it looks. My whole house smells of this dish and I can't wait to take a bite. My mouth is literally watering. Oh my god, the taste, perfect. Everything is perfect. The heat, the sourness, and the chicken, oh my god, it's cooked so perfectly. Just go ahead and make it. You don't have to go to any restaurant to eat ghee roast again. Trust me. Yum, yum, yum.